Godson tatted on my chest. Stainless dweller hit me for a heart, and so I got it on my left. I done been through hell and back, but I'm blessed. Made a killing fucking with the beans, but they really want the meth. I heard you got a deal, but they got you on the shelf. My bitch won't say a word, she ain't fucking with the help. Just go your hold of 40, cause
it was slipping. Oh. And you see where I got the bar where we always supposed to have it. Thanks, champ. Come on. Oop. That felt better. That felt better. The grip was there. The grip was 100%. All right, so 505 for back downs. Long story short, it slipped. I think they put baby powder in the other chalk. Bro gave me the other, we got the other thing, and we used that. So that's feeling good. But do we feel good? We feel good. It's light work. I think we got 2 sets of 5 or 3, one of the two. Gotta check, but we finna dial in real quick. Give myself a few seconds. Treat every rep like when I go do it, it's like I'm at the meet. So that's what making everything feel better. Cause when I treat it like I'm just doing it, I'm not putting as much effort. So beautiful. I gotta go look at the science behind what they be doing, y'all. 2x3, 505. Let's knock it down. Come on. That probably felt better than the first 562. So I love that. It moved how it was supposed to. We don't get a side view though. Feeling it. To tell the truth, I don't know why these niggas hate. My thing is, fellas, I need you to lock in with yourself this time. You gave everybody else enough of what you had going on. You gotta worry about yourself right now. It's key, bro. That's how we gonna win, baby. The right person gonna come around and they gonna love you. Don't be scared to be by yourself right now. Well, by herself. Come on. I'm supposed to be doing this with her. But she done left me here by myself. Crazy. That City Girls by Melly crazy. Love that shit. But like I said though, bro, it's key right now. Just silence, work in silence. Keep it up, baby boy. Woo! That shit is not for no bitch. I ain't gonna hold you. Y'all get on the side for me real quick for this last one. Don't be scared to ask for help. That's what y'all gotta understand. Take the ego out of it and do it the right way. Thanks, Ch I didn't think about it.
So, let's touch bases. How you feeling today? You good? Everything all right. We already through the week. Hope you achieve some of the stuff that you was trying to do. It get rough. It get tough. It get hard. You know what I'm saying? But it's okay for you to express that and to know that's how you feeling. You know what I'm saying? Be in touch or in tune with self, you know? It's bigger than the gym. The gym is just an outlet, like a small percentage of anything. You still got to be in tune with self. You still got to know self. You still got to know what you supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? You supposed to know how to act. You still supposed to know, like, it's going to be okay, no matter what you going through. You feel what I'm saying? Like, that's the whole thing about locking in. Like, lock in. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. Like, when you get scared, then you hold yourself back from all the good things. Let the doors that's closing close. Let the ones that's opening open. You get what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to it. So at the end of the day, it's like, today was just me going through the motions. And not like how people say going through the motions. I did the work. You know what I'm saying? No bitching, no complaining. Got some ups and downs. You gonna see. But I still did the work. You know what I mean? You gotta be that type of person. Don't let this be the end. Let this be the beginning of new things. You feel what I'm saying? So if you like the video, you already know what to do. I'm not gonna tell you to do it. Y'all already know to tap in. Drop the lock in symbol if y'all fucking with it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.